Hi sweets! Today I tried to use full makeup using just one brand, which is Physicians Fomula for this one. I failed in that area a little bit because I had to use around 3 products from another brands, but at least like 75 to 80% of it is Physicians Formulas only. This is also like a first impressions kind of review also, so I really hope you like this video and let's just right jump to it. Today we're gonna start with the makeup using this Physicians Fomula Refreshmint, and it says it is from cucumber and bamboo eye depuffer. Supposedly is a cooling, hydrating and fast absorbing treatment stick with an instant pick-me-up. I'm applying it in my eye area, forehead, my jawline, and a little bit in my neck. After that, we're gonna use Spotlight, which is an illuminating primer with age-defying active, and it says that it blurs, corrects, and protects, infused with 5 filtering luminescent pearls to blur imperfections and deliver a spotlight glow, enriched with antioxidants and protect skins and visibly reduce redness. I'm applying it all over my face, and definitely it has that illuminating thing going on. Now we're going with the foundation, and the name is the Healthy Foundation with SPF 20. It says Brightening Complex for all skin types, and it says it is packed with vitamins and antioxidants for healthy coverage, infused with Chinese Wushu Yu extracts and hyaluronic acids to brighten, hydrate, and even skin tone. Ultra blendable, lightweight, buildable, and breathable. And I'm gonna mix it with Physicians Formula's Rose All Day Oil-Free Serum. It brightens and tightens. It's for a radiant glow, enriched with rose water to help smooth skin and hydrate skin. Formulated with antioxidants rich in goji and kakadu plum, the richest vitamin C source of any fruit. I'm applying a couple of drops of the rose serum, and I'm gonna blend this with my Eco Tools Wonder Cover Complexion. It's definitely lightweight because I can see all my blemishes and a little bit of acne that I had. So I'm gonna add another layer in my skin, and again I'm gonna apply a couple of drops of the Rose All Day. I'm going again with my Eco Tools Cover Complexion. Now instead of brushing my foundation, I'm doing this tapping motions to see if I can get a little more coverage from the foundation. For concealer, I bought the Instant Ready Full Coverage Concealer in Light. It also comes with a little sponge, so I'm gonna use that as well. The concealer comes with a pump. I don't know if it's gonna be better usage than the regular packaging of the concealers, so let's see. But I do have to say that I enjoy the pumps. And let's see how we manage using the sponge that it brought with. It says that it's full coverage, but I think it is kind of a medium coverage. Well, while applying the other eye, it did increase, so that is a plus. Let me apply the concealer where I usually would apply it, in my face, which is my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and a little bit in my smile lines. But at least it blends really easy. Now to make sure that everything is well blended, I'm using my Eco Tools complexion buffer. Since I couldn't find any setting powder for my under eye in the Physicians Fomula aisle, so I'm gonna apply the usual one that I use, but I'm not gonna show you guys in camera because we are doing a Physicians Fomula makeup. For bronzer, I'm gonna use my butter bronzer and with my RLM Moda Pro 130 brush, I'm gonna bronze my face. First the hollows of my cheek, my chin, my nose a little bit, forehead as well. And now to finish the face, I bought as well the Youthful Wear Cosmetical Youth Boosting Powder. It has an illuminating finish. It delivers extend wear. It's light as air finishing powder. Invisibly blends into skin, instantly evening out skin tone and refining skin surface for a smooth skin texture with a flawless, youthful looking finish. Works to extend the wear of foundation so your complexion remains flawless. Everything is good to hear. So using my MAC 150 brush, I'm gonna set the rest of my face. Everything of Physicians Fomula has a smell. If you guys mind that, don't actually buy anything from Physicians Fomula, but the smells are really good. For a blush, I'm going with the Butter Blush in Rose Pink. And it says Brazilian Luxury. Ultra luxurious formula infused with the muru butter delivers a radiant Brazilian goddess glow. Moisturizing wonder features ultra refined pearls and soft focus pigment that smooth skin texture, brightening skin tone, and delivers a gorgeous blush glow. And using my Crown blush brush, I'm gonna apply it in the apples of my cheeks. And for highlight, I bought 4 of them. But today I'm gonna use the Pink Rose. It is the Butter Highlighter, Cream to Powder Highlighter. And it says that it's the same as the blush. Ultra luxurious with multi-dimensional cream to powder highlighter infused with muru butter delivers a radiant Brazilian goddess glow. I'm gonna apply it with my Luxie 640 brush in the high points of my face. First my cheeks. Whoa, this is so nice. My Cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, a little bit over my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyebrows now, and I'm gonna do it off camera because I didn't buy any product for the brows. So let's do that and come back. Okay, eyebrows are done, and I bought this little palette. It's the matte collection quad eyeshadow. It says it is Canyon Classics silky smooth formula. Actually, it comes with a little mirror, but I don't know if the situation calls for it. You can actually use it, but now it doesn't call for it, so I'm going to use another mirror. For my crease, I'm going to use this taupe color, and using my Real Techniques Deluxe crease brush, I'm going to apply this a little bit higher than my natural crease because I have hollow eyes and I need that lift. So in order to give it to them, I have to do my crease a little bit higher than she is naturally. Now I'm going back to the palette with this gray color with my Linda Halbert 304 brush. I'm gonna apply this in my outer crease. Remember to tap the excess of the shadow because it has a little bit of kickback. I apply it in tapping motions to get as much pigment as I can from the shadow. And now I'm gonna blend it, the hard edges of her. Now I'm going back to the palette to this light brown. And I think I'm gonna use the same brush that I was before, the Linda Halbert 304 brush. And this one, I'm gonna apply it in the middle of my lid, as well in tapping motions. This one is gonna help me blend a little bit the line that I had from the gray one. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this in my crease exactly where it finished the gray one. And now I'm gonna use the last color in the palette, which is the light one. And with my Crown Oval Concealer brush, I'm gonna press this pigment to my inner area of my lid, really near to my tear duct or my inner corner. And as well, I'm going to apply it in my brow bone to highlight it a little bit. And to blend the three colors together, I'm going back to the brown, light brown color with the same Linda Halber brush. And I'm applying it in tapping motions to erase that line from the light color. I'm gonna finish my eye look, and for the bottom part I'm going with this round crease brush from the Crown, and I think I'm going with this, the brown light color, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of the gray color, but just in the half of my bottom lashes, in the end of them. I didn't buy any mascara from the Physicians Fomula, so I'm gonna do that off camera as well, and then we're gonna come back to finish the look. And to finish the look, I'm going with the Healthy Lip Velvet Finished and Nourishing Plum. It comes with this kind of applicator. First, I'm gonna do my Cupid's bow. I gotta say that this applicator helps a lot to draw the shape of your lips. And now the bottom, first the center, now I'm gonna do the sides. Alright sweets, this is the final look. I really, and I have to say, I really enjoy everything that I use, and that is, I don't know, this is amazing. I was really surprised of the quad. Let me show it to you. I was really surprised with this actually. I just bought it because I wanted to do a full makeup using only just one brand. I didn't expect anything from it, to be really honest. And I even bought it thinking that I was going to give it away to any of my kids. And I'm not gonna give it away. I'm gonna stay with it because I really love the gray one, the concealer. This is another thing that I just bought because I needed something to do the entire makeup, not because I expected it to do a good job, and it actually did. Guys, you can actually buy everything, or at least try it from Physicians Fomula. I really doubt that you would be disappointed, because I wasn't. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.